Life is what I make it, life is what we make it. Welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Guys, I pray and hope that you get your wish fulfilled by lightening up this candle. Today's our topic is, do they stalk you on social media? So we have three options in front of us, three small chair. Option number 1, orange chair. Option number 2, green chair. Option number 3, pink chair. Okay. Do they stalk your social media? Option 1, orange chair. Option 2, green chair. Option 3, pink chair. I have already kept my cards over there. So we'll go with the option 1. Please remember, this will be a general reading. It will not match or resonate with each and every one of you. Okay. We'll just put it like this. So do they stalk your social media? Okay. Yes. Yes, this person do stalk your social media. This person can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and somewhat Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Also I am seeing, and this person has a lot of regrets, guys. Whatever they did to you in past, they have a lot of regrets. 3 of Cups card. Yes, 3 of Cups card is showing me that in this especially in this deck, they are regretting whatever they did to you. They have highly, strongly Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces in their birth chart. They might be married or engaged or committed to their family or something like that, and now they are regretting it. But they do stalk you. They will come and talk to you, guys. They want to come and talk to you and wants victory with you, wants to marry you. But they have taken some decision in past to get married, to choose someone else, and now they are regretting it. But they want to release that situation and come in the fool mode, in the sense of they want to be single and they want to be with you. They want to have fun with you. They want to talk to you. They want to meet you. They will come to you, and they might see your DP status stories, WhatsApp, Instagram, so Facebook, whatever. So yeah, they do stalk you, but I feel like they want to come and meet you. They don't want to stalk you anymore. They want to come and talk to you and meet you, and they will come and talk to you and meet you. I feel like that, definitely. They might live far away, and somewhere far away from you, and they live near greenery, or some sort of area which is for example, near border of the city or near border of the state or something like that, or somewhere in the village place or farmhouse or some sort of those things, or a lot of greenery and garden around their house. I feel like that. So they might have been married to someone else, or they might have child or a pet with someone else. So some sort of those lines. They regret it now, guys, but they stalk you highly, and they think you are beautiful and bold, and they were coward. So this type of feelings I am feeling. So yes, they do stalk you, and this is the short and quick reading. So I hope you liked it. So yes, they do stalk you on social media, those who have chose this option 1. Now we'll see those who have chose this option 2, this green chair. Do they stalk your social media? Yes. Definitely yes. Definitely yes. This person is stuck somewhere, and this person is also burdensome, feeling burden, with responsibility, or feeling stuck in some situation. This person's heart is very pure, has a lot of love and emotions for you. I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, strongly Aries sign I am seeing, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini also I am seeing. Almost every sign, but strongly I am seeing Aries and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Leo, Sagittarius. and Libra somewhat, and Gemini. So yeah, they do stalk you. They might have told someone to stalk you. I also feel like that. They might be a leader, boss, or some sort of manager, highly position they are working if they are doing job, or else they are having their own business, or they are type of a bossy leader type of a person, like an emperor. His age can be more than 30 years. I feel like that. And or your age can be more than 30 years, and they do stalk you. They are highly sensitive people, and they see you as a highly sensitive queen, like this beautiful queen. They also want to see you in some sort of dress, or they might have seen your recent DP or profile pic or something like that. They have seen your picture somewhere, or you somewhere, and they think you are beautiful, you are like this queen. They also notice your ornaments, they also notice your hairstyle, they also notice your curves of the body, they also notice the curves on the dresses on the dress. So iron the dress is ironed or not, so something like that. They notice each and every detail, for some of you, for some one or two people, I am feeling your person's daughter, your person is having daughter, or you have a daughter, if you are guys not married to each other. And if you are single, then I think your person is married, and or else wants to marry. So yeah, they see your necklace also, earrings also, each and every detail, which lipstick or eyeshadow you have applied, which earrings you are wearing, which color it is, what else you are wearing, what new is there. So those type of details they see. I think they stalk your profile picture, or some sort of social media, I mean to say, obviously social media, but I mean to say Instagram stories they are watching, or something like that. Even if you don't have social media, Instagram or WhatsApp, I feel like they are they have told someone to keep an eye on you, keep a watch on you. They are also coming to see you, stalk you, from somewhere. I feel like that. But he has a big ego, he won't show that, he's stalking you. So yes, they do stalk you. This is a quick and short reading, guys. So let's see those who have chose this pink chair. Your person, do they stalk you? I think your person speaks less to you. I also feel that your person I also feel that this person, you are in no contact or less communication with this person, and this person also speak very less. Currently he is in a anti-social mode, hermit mode, in the sense he is not socializing much, not introspecting a lot, away from people, wants to get away from people. He wants to take you somewhere and go away from people. He wants to have a family life with you, such a beautiful family life with you. And some sort of injustice they have done to you, then now they want to give you justice, but that is because of the angels are pushing him to give you justice, and angels will give you justice if they have done something wrong to you. But do they stalk you? Yes, they do stalk you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign I am seeing, and somewhat Sagittarius, Leo, Aries also I am seeing, Gemini also I am seeing. Yeah. So they speak very less to you. Currently you are in no communication. Sorry for the background noise. So yeah, they do stalk you. This is what I feel for you guys. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.